It is only seen that people buried this kind of mesh material in the soil when building roads, but it looks very soft, so what kind of use can it be used to build roads? The material is called geotechnical form, which is a three-dimensional structure made of high molecular polymer materials, although it may seem inconspicuous, but it can strengthen the soil and strengthen the foundation. The role of carrying capacity: many roads can cause cracks and potholes not long after they are put into use, and the problem can be effectively solved by setting up geotechnical patterns. The principle is not difficult to understand. When the car is pressed, the geogrid can disperse a considerable part of the vertical downward mud for 4 weeks, and in addition to this, it can also improve the soil. The materials for the preparation of geotechnical specifications are mostly high-density polyethylene, polypropylene, which have good corrosion resistance and thickness resistance. Because of this, it is very adaptable to the environment and it is very easy to install, so it only needs to be unfolded and immediately filled with earth, sand and gravel on the road surface for inspection and confirmation. After there are no problems, the installation work is considered to be completed, and in general, the geotechnical style is still very cost-effective, its cost is very low, and it is very easy to use.